In this video, we will learn how to use the 10x Genomics Cloud CLI to upload FASTQ files into a project in cloud analysis using a Windows computer. In order to follow these steps, you must have the 10x Genomics Cloud CLI installed on your system. Before we are ready to upload our files, we must open our command prompt and switch into the txg directory so that we can execute our commands. Use the Windows Start menu and the three letters CMD to open the command prompt. Next, open your File Explorer and navigate to the directory where you extracted the txg tool. In the navigation bar, copy the address to your clipboard and return to the command prompt. Type the letters CD for change directory and paste the contents of your clipboard. Pressing Enter, we are now in the txg folder and ready to execute our commands. We can now return to the web browser and confirm that we are looking at the instructions for our operating system. Find the portion of the page with instructions for uploading FASTQ files and copy the provided command. In the command prompt, paste the contents of your clipboard. We will now remove the text path to FASTQs, and we will find the folder which we wish to upload in our File Explorer. I keep my FASTQ files in the Documents folder in a subfolder called FASTQs. For this tutorial, we will upload the contents of the Tiny Gene Expression folder. There are 6 FASTQ files in this folder, and I will copy the address once again from the navigation bar. Returning to the txg tool, I paste the contents of my clipboard, and I press Enter to begin the upload process. Because this is the first time I'm uploading FASTQ files from this computer, I must enter my access token. This can be copied directly from the web browser and pasted into the txg tool. Now the txg tool has found 6 FASTQ files inside of the directory that I provided. It is uploading these into the project named Upload Tutorial. In order to confirm this information, I type the letter Y followed by Enter, and the upload commences. After the upload completes, I can see a success message, and when I return to my web browser and click refresh, my FASTQ files are present in the project, automatically grouped into sets so that they're easy to use and ready for analysis.